Hello ladies and gents, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Epilog Helix Laser Cutter. So it's very simple. All we need to do is start by turning the machine on. To do that, we're going to push this button here on the wall to turn on this power strip. Now this should turn on the laser cutter and the air supply. If these aren't already on, or someone's turned the machine and the air pump off, we need to turn them on. So go down here to this grey box and make sure this is turned on. This is the air pump. Turn that on. You'll hear it start up. You can't miss that noise, so listen for that. We're going to go around to the other side of the machine and we're going to turn the laser cutter on with this button here. After a few seconds you'll hear a beep. There we go. So the laser cutter is on and you'll see some text on the little LCD panel here just to know that it's on, so you confirm that the power's on. All we're going to do now is use this handle to carefully open this lid. We're going to make sure that it's open all the way, not partially. It's made out of glass, so we don't want it to fall and shatter. So when you open it, carefully open it all the way so that it's leaning back. Once you've done that, we're now going to place some material on the cutting table. So you can use acrylic or wood. I've got a sheet of plywood here, just an old cut-off piece. We're going to put this onto the cutting plate. We're going to make sure that the edge of our material goes right into the corner here, so not kind of away from these rulers with a gap. We need to put it all the way into the corner there, right? With that done, we can gently close this glass lid. Again, be very careful, we don't want this to shatter, so don't drop it. Close it all the way, do it slowly, do it gently. Now I'm going to use the computer at the side of the machine to send a print job or a cutting job over to the laser cutter. So if we move over here, to see the video of how to configure your file and send it to the laser cutter, I'll include a link to that video in the description of this one, so you can watch that separately. So I've gone through all of those steps. All I'm going to do now is in the print box, I'm going to click the button print, and that sends it to the laser cutter. If we go back over to the machine, we'll see we've got the name of a job that's been sent to the laser cutter. So all I need to do at this point, as long as I see a job name here, is push this green button to start the cutting job. And the laser cutter will start to run the job automatically. There we go, so I just made a little smiley face there. When you're done with that, give it a few seconds just for the smoke to be vacuumed and out of the back of the machine, because there's a little vent at the back there. So just give it a few seconds before you open the lid. 5-10 seconds is enough. Once you've done that, open the lid again, open it carefully, lift your material out carefully, front first, so this bit comes up first, and then you can just slide it out off the cutting table. Put that to one side, and then you can take your material off the laser cutter, and then close the lid, and you're ready to run another job. If you're completely finished there, all you need to do is walk around to the side of the machine, turn the machine off. It's probably best to just leave this on, so people don't forget to do it when they come use it after you. But just for the sake of the video, I'll show you how to do it. You'll turn the air pump off here, and then just turn everything off at the wall with this one orange switch. And that's how you use the laser cutter.